Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Easter egg wreath. It's my first time doing it, so I do not know how it's going to come out. I hope it comes out good. But what's even better, this video is in collab with Nanika from Craft Eat Repeat. I love her channel and I know you will too, because she literally inspires me to do more DIYs and more crafts for my home. And also my bestie Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen. You guys go check out their channels. I'll be leaving their channels down in the description box. You will not regret it. You will definitely enjoy it. So now let me show you the things that I got from Dollar Tree. Every single item came from the Dollar Tree, so I will show you what I got. Glue the eggs on the wreath. I got this wood wreath form from the Dollar Tree. It's a 12-inch. I got these small eggs just in case I have to fill like any holes. And then I got 6 of these Easter eggs. I did not get them last year. No, I didn't get them in time last year. That's what happened. Because by the time I went, they were all gone. So I got 6 to start off with. And I got a few extras just in case I need more, which I don't think I will. But hopefully this will do. The first thing I'm going to do is use half of a pipe cleaner and put it inside of the wreath in one of the little loops, so that when it's time to hang, it'll be a lot easier. And then what I did is I made a little knot at the top. Now I'm going to add the first egg. So what I'm going to do is see which position I wanted to put it on there first. But once you add the first egg, you can kind of work the other eggs around that one. Also, make sure it's on there good, because one of the mistakes I did make was that I would add another egg before the first one finished drying. So the first egg would just fall off while I'm trying to glue on the second egg. Another tip I'm going to give you is position the egg first before you glue it on there to see which direction do you want the egg to be. For example, I would put it on there and see, no, this part should be the other way. So then I would add the glue to the other egg, sorry, and on the wood, and then attach the egg on there. So this wreath is literally the easiest wreath I've ever made. Normally I make my Decor mesh wreath and those take between 5 to 6 hours, but this one only took me an hour, and that's with me getting up and taking breaks here and there. So if you would also like to see my Valentine's Day wreath video, the link will be down in the description box. So I think that it's never too early to start your craft or craft decor for the next season, because it's best to start all of your crafts so when it's time to decorate your house, you have everything you need. So most of you know that I love to do wreaths. I love making wreaths. It's so peaceful and relaxing to me. Plus, I love the end result. But I've never decorated for Easter or spring or anything like that. But this year, I wanted to do it differently. I want to decorate for the holiday, but I also do not want to spend tons of money. So I want to do most of my decor more economically friendly. I'm pretty much almost finished. I'm just covering up the areas that still need eggs on there, but this was one of the easiest DIYs I've made. So I am finished. I ended up using 10 of these. Luckily, something told me to get some extra ones, so I'm glad I did, except for one lonesome egg. But I was gonna add the little small ones, but I really don't think it needs it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go check out Nanika's and Corny's channel. I will definitely make sure to link them down in the description box. Don't forget to also give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.